Today, Sterling is launching the Personnel Protective Guard for the full-size transit vans. This provides effective distancing between drivers and passengers in these full-size vans. It's made to fit the high roof, the low roof, and the mid-roof transit, the full-size version. There's excellent coverage here and full visibility across the cab for windshield visibility, side view mirror visibility, and allows for seat tilt and seat travel. So it's a fully adjustable guard that's easy to use for a variety of different personnel. Our protective guard for the transit is designed to fit all the transit model years from 2015 onwards. And you can see the protection here. It runs right up well above the driver and passenger's heads. So you've got really good protection vertically down to the bottom of the seat, and then from the headrests all the way up to over top of the dash. So really good protection here, really good distancing, and the design is, as I mentioned, is made to fit the 2020 and earlier models. So there's a design factor here that allows for the difference in the dash for all those model years. The installation is fast and easy, and the guard package comes complete with all of the hardware and instructions that are needed to perform the installation. It meets all of the guidelines of the WorkSafe regulations. So those include visibility, they include airflow, communication between persons in the vehicle, and emergency egress in the case of having a door blocked shut. You can actually very easily cross over to the other side of the cab and exit through the opposite door. These are made of a highly impact resistant polycarbonate material that's shatterproof and is designed and installed in such a way so it doesn't impede the airbag deployment in the vehicle. We've sold models of the PPG for pickup trucks to a wide variety of industries, including mining, construction, landscaping, and many municipal customers as well. We've had a lot of really positive feedback as to the effectiveness of these guards and also the ease of installation. We've had multiple customers come back and purchase more of them. One minor objection that we've heard from some non-customers is that their solution to providing distancing and to the COVID challenge is to provide masks for their employees to wear in the vehicle. A couple of questions come to mind regarding this approach. Is it likely that those workers who go out in the vehicle, multiple persons in a vehicle, are going to wear those masks throughout the workday? Is it quite likely that those masks will come off at some point during the day and that those employees will be in a vehicle at close quarters without masks and without any other protection? Would it not be worth mitigating that risk to your company and to your community? Can you afford not to take all possible steps to protect your most important investment, your employees? The PPG products from Sterling are an effective solution that's available at a very reasonable cost. We're here to help you protect your people, to protect our communities, and to maintain the productivity of your workforce during these challenging times. For more information, feel free to reach out to us, check out our website, give us a call. We'll be happy to assist you.